update on my bike build.
My motorized bike build is now a hybrid. Put a 1,000-watt front hub motor on.
Battery
On the bike rack, there's the controller, a bunch of wires in a case. I'm not sure how I'm going to mount that, but so far that's good enough. The tank is still mocked up. I still have to go inside the tank and put in that red coat liner. I'm going to keep it bare metal look, but I'm going to clear it after I do the red coat. The carburetor's on but not plumbed. Waiting for the gas tank. But the hub motor's working. I haven't test driven because I haven't reattached the brakes. I disconnected the brakes to put this on. Disconnected the brakes here to put this on. And they need adjusted real bad. So I need to spend some time making sure I have brakes. But little show of the cockpit. It's very busy, but this is going to be fun. Throttle for the electric, throttle for the gas, dual brakes. The shift controller for the pedals, 7-speed pedals. Clutch, this will be the kill switch. I'm gonna adjust it. That'll be the kill switch for the gasoline motor. This is the controller on for the electric motor. And let's see how she works. This is going to be fun. Just a little show of the work here. I still got zip ties and everything, and I don't have it all perfect. A little step at a time. That's the battery I got for it. The hub motor kit did not come with a battery. That was extra. So another click on Amazon. Let's turn this off. But here's how it looks so far on this side. I can't wait to take everybody for a ride.